In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best camping solar-powered gadgets available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market, so whether you need best smart coffee makers, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Camping Solar-Powered Gadgets. Let's get started!
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Blavor Solar Charger 5 Panels Detachable QI Certified Wireless Charger 20,000 mAh Portable Power Bank Solar Panel Charger for Outdoor Activity LED Flashlight Work as Torch and SOS Light Complimentary Compass Ring Light Kit with LCD power display for real-time monitoring. It has a detachable solar panel that converts into a power bank. 4 ports for dual USB, micro USB Type-C and QI wireless. Number 4. SUSCELL S1008D Solar Power Bank Safety Protection System USB and solar charging. Best warranty for solar phone charger. High quality solar charger power bank. Compatible with multiple devices. Smart charge and powerful LED flashlight. Number 3. Blavor PN-W12 Solar Charger Power Bank 18 watt power output 20,000 mAh solar charger bank up to 10 watt wireless output flashlight and built-in compass tough rubberized frame SOS light for emergencies wireless charging support built-in compass with carrying strap QI wireless fast charging reason-free return services 2 USB ports and bi-directional Type-C port, flashlight and the compass as a part of its design. Number 2. ERR BBIC S108D Solar Power Bank Built-in 20,000 mAh high-capacity lithium polymer battery, dual USB and powerful LED light, high-capacity solar-powered. 2 LED lights create more convenience for travel. Emergency charger for cell phone and other compatible devices. Dual USB port enables you to charge 2 different interface accessories. Stylish, portable, user-friendly, and durable for on-the-go use. Made of durable ABS plus PC plus silicone material. Number 1. Blavor PN-W05 Solar Power Bank 10,000 mAh Portable Power Bank Solar Charger for Outdoor Activity Lightweight makes it ideal for hiking. The ideal solar cell phone charger is also dust-proof. Dual flashlight is fitted in the device. Very affordable. Compass kit is also free with this incredible power bank. Provided with the best handy tool for outdoor activities. The power bank is best for camping, cycling, fishing, traveling, hiking, and beaches.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.